Hello traders and welcome to another video of the review. Today is Tuesday, January 15th, 2024. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart with the Japanese candlesticks, and one thing we got here is the moving average, 100 and 200 moving average crossover. So we got a very nice bounce to the upside. So it looks like the uptrend might be resumed. Why? Most likely because the correction ABC to the downside has been completed. Let me just show you this using the ABC Elliott correction wave. So we will just use the ABC. There you go. So from the top of this year, 48,700, we got the first movement to the downside. So wave A, then counter correction, wave B, and then the extension to the downside, wave C. So this ABC correction is perfectly valid. If we talk about the corrective range and corrective market progressions, this is over 20%. Nothing wrong about this. If you take a look here at the overall movement to the upside, this 20% is apparently the biggest correction here in this impulsive wave. So we can say straight on that this correction is completed. It might be just the beginning of the much more longer in price and time correction. For example, it might be the ABC of the triangle. It might be ABC of running flat or zigzag or something like this. Nevertheless, we cannot exclude that this ABC correction to the downside has been a fully performed free wave collection, and we started the impulsive wave. This movement here from the lows of let me just replace the low. The low was like 38,621. So that's the technical support. From this low, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to the upside. Perfectly clear example of the impulsive wave. Now, the technical resistance is of course located at 43,353. So this resistance will be marked on red, and as you can see, we are now fighting to close above this technical resistance, above the close of the wave B. So all of this looks very bullish. And if we consider the fact that the last wave down is in the form of the last trading day during the wave down is in the form of the kind of a pin bar, little bit hammerish pin bar that pierced the 100 periods moving average, daily moving average, and then bounced back and closed way above it, then the outlook, which is right now, might be fully considered to be bullish. So if there is a breakout higher, we should see more to the upside soon. One more thing I would like to share with you guys is the Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, this Fibonacci retracement, which is the level of 50. Let me just place it on the right. There you go. 50% is 43,660 tethers, which has been hit just recently. So 50% is now hit, and we are done with this let's say middle of the correction, right? The middle of the range of the correction, because the 50% is exactly what we need. Okay, 38% needs to be gone as well. Okay, so now 50% is hit. Eventually, we might extend this upward movement towards 44,849, where is the 61% of the Fibonacci correction, but then we should see some sort of the temporary pause, or like a pullback or local correction, and then another upward movement towards the, of course, swing high 48,700, which is our main technical resistance as a swing high. All right, so if this is still impulsive, and if we break above 44,849, the outlook remains bullish. and the market should move higher. One last indicator we will apply to this chart is the relative strength index, and we can see straight on that the relative strength index is strong at 56 points. It's positive, and there is a room to the upside here, there is a room to the upside here, so it looks like it's a very, very bullish situation for the Bitcoin to tether, at least in the short term. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.